Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Neha Sindhu and I am here with this video to help you to score 7 bands by just following the easiest method. So let's see what is it. So here is the template for the body paragraph. But to score 7 bands, you have to add some interesting things which help you to impress the examiner in the exam. So these are the coherence and cohesion which help you to score 7 bands. Let's understand how to write it. First of all, you start your paragraph by using the words that will help the examiner to understand that you are going to start your paragraph. After that, give your idea and again use the word which help the examiner to understand that now you are going to start your explanation. And after that, again give the word which help the examiner to understand that you are going to give the specific information about your explanation. That is, you are proving your elaboration with your example. After giving that, again add the word which help the examiner to understand that you are going to give the effect of your idea. Overall, I can say these are the words which help you to beautify the paragraph and impress the examiner. So let's go and understand this pattern with the help of an example. Here my question is, today more and more students are deciding to move to different countries for higher studies. Do you think the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? First of all, understand the question properly and try to find the answer of the question asked by the examiner. The question is, these days majority of the students planned to move to the other countries for their higher education. So what are the advantages and disadvantages? Or I can say, according to you, are the advantages more than disadvantages, or the disadvantages are more than advantages? So here my viewpoint is, it has more merits like top-notch facilities and get a chance to broaden my horizon, with demerit like financial burden on students. So according to me, this trend has more merits like the top-notch facilities, and the students will get a chance to broaden their horizon, with a demerit like financial burden on the students. So let us discuss the easiest way to form the paragraph so that you can achieve your desired target. First of all, I have to explain the top-notch facilities, that is first merit, in my first body paragraph. So let's start how to write it. Firstly, state-of-art facilities is one of the major benefit of studying abroad. This is my first line and I started my paragraph with the word firstly. This is CC, that is coherence and cohesion, which help the examiner to understand that you are going to start your body paragraph 1. So after that, after giving this word, I relate my idea with the question. Here the main content of the question is, students are deciding to move to the different countries. This is the main thing which examiner want to understand, that what are its advantages and disadvantages. So I relate my idea with the question in such a way that I write, state of art facilities is one of the major benefit of studying abroad. Here state of art facilities is my idea and studying abroad is the question line. So I combined it by using the word is one of the major benefit of this. This is one method to relate your idea with the question line. After giving your first line, we have to give the explanation of our idea. So for this, I write, this is to say that due to availability of cutting edge learning techniques, students would be able to learn the concepts more effectively. What I want to say by state of art facilities is that due to availability of advanced techniques, students will able to learn the difficult concepts in an effective way. So here I use this is to say that. This is the word which help the examiner to understand that you are going to start your explanation. After explanation, you have to prove it with the specific information. In my explanation, I am discussed about the cutting edge learning techniques which help the learners to understand the concept, and with my example, I am proving it where it is happening. So here, for example, Harvard University provides the efficient staff that teaches the students with audio-visual aids and provides e-learning material which would help them to gain deeper knowledge about the complex concepts. So here I use the word for example. This will help the examiner to understand that you are going to give the specific information about your elaboration, or you are going to write the example. So in my example, I give the specific information about the university where the administration provide efficient staff to the learners with audio-visual aids and provides e-learning material which help the learners to gain knowledge about the complex concepts. So, in my elaboration, I discussed about the availability of cutting edge techniques, learning techniques, and in my example, I prove that they use audio-visual aids and provides e-learning material. So this is the way to change your elaboration into a specific information. After giving the example, we have to write the effect. So here, hence they would able to live lavish life by achieving their professional goals. So hence is the word which help the examiner to understand that you are going to write the effect of your idea. So the effect is student will able to live their life lavishly by achieving their goals. So this is the way to write the body paragraph to score 7 bands by just writing the words like firstly, this is to say that, for example, hence. These words will help you to relate the lines and to form an effective body paragraph. Except these words, you have to use the vocabulary and have infinite ideas so that you can impress the examiner by your idea or your viewpoint.